Hi, my name is Sujit Sudaman. I'm here with my family, Rachna, Shreyas, and Shishim. So we were looking for a spot basically to escape from the Deepavali noise in Bangalore, both the air and noise pollution. So we were looking at multiple different locations, multiple different resorts in Coorg, and we looked at Mysore and surrounding areas. We were not satisfied with a lot of them because a lot of them either they had like non-veg food, drinking, and all that stuff also was there, and also either they were very far off or not really in the area that we wanted to go to. So also we had a plan that we wanted to come and visit Barchuki and Gagalchuki Falls because we had not seen it for quite some time. My kids had not seen it at all. So then my wife found, suddenly, on I think on Tuesday morning, just before the holidays, she found something. She found two of them, but then she said there was something called as Chukki Mane. I said, why don't you go and check it out, what it is? So she said that's a vegetarian place and it's also no drinking, no smoking, and all that kind of stuff. So I said that's something that we prefer, kind of lifestyle, and automatically the kind of people that come to such homestays also will be a lot more cultured and better behaved and all that stuff. So immediately, my wife spoke to Sanjay, and she was very excited. She said it's a very nice place. It sounds very good. And so immediately I called up Sanjay also and asked him how do I go about, how do we take care of the logistics, how do I pay and all that stuff. And he was also very open. He said, you don't have to do online payment. You just pay by check and then you can come over here. So immediately I told him to send somebody and we came out here. And as soon as we came out here, I think it was something beyond our imagination actually, because we were thinking that it would be a very primitive looking setup and all that stuff, but I think when we came here we saw that it was sophisticated on the inside, but actually preserving all the rusticness that is required for any kind of a homestay or a resort. And as soon as we came in fact, Sanjay was very helpful. He came out almost to the road to actually pick us up. Very nice of him actually. So hospitality wise, I think this is really very good. I mean, it was a home away from home. Never felt we were outside our own house, because both Sanjay and his wife Champa and the kid Deva and also the staff out here, they're very very helpful and very very hospitable, highly hospitable. No problems at all, and anything that we didn't ask for too much, but whatever we asked for, we were made to feel very comfortable out here. And the facilities are also excellent for a family stay. There's a nice sunrise room and a sunset room, very neatly arranged, and a lot of nice art in the walls, a lot of eco-friendly stuff being used in the premises. The food is excellent, like I said earlier. It's very homely food, and of course, the best part of it, the whole thing is, the homestay part of it is very good, but the um, the the high energy that Sanjay brings to this whole thing, right, and is really admirable, because I've got a lot of homestays where they just accommodate you and then you have to figure out everything on your own. But this is not the case. He kind of takes the pains to take us around, explain strenuously what is going on around the area, what is unique about this area, right? And he took us for a night walk, which is another highlight, which we never do that in Bangalore. So the night walk, and today we went to the bird sanctuary, which is again a very revealing thing, right? We saw a lot of birds which we had not seen in Bangalore, and a lot of education about it. It was not just seeing the birds, in terms of photography. Also, he taught us a lot of techniques. Next time when I come here, I'll probably bring a better camera so that I can take advantage of what Sanjay can teach me. But yeah, on the whole, I think I don't know whether you want to add something here, but I think on the whole it's been a great experience. We wanted to stay for longer, but we have to leave. I'm sure that we'll keep coming back here more often than not, and hopefully they'll continue to accommodate us in the same fashion. So, thank you very much. It was excellent.
I was really impressed with all the information that Sanjay gave when I just talked to him on the phone, just like that, just to inquire. So he gave me a lot of information about the history of the place, about the importance, historical importance, and the natural values, natural habitats of the birds and animals around here. So I was really impressed, and when we came here, he proved it beyond a point that he really knows this place very well. So that was something I was impressed with, and how openly he welcomed us into his house and his heart, and that was really nice.
We found a new family friend. It's not just a host here, but there are new family friends now.
I found the host and hostess here very friendly. they actually like fully they took very good care of us, I can say. And it was like staying at home in another place. That's all.
I would like to tell that even though I did not, even though that they were mainly ate onions, I hated onions. I hated onions. But for me, I must thank them for this. They didn't make any onions. They didn't
Put any
cook any
onions.
onions. They didn't cook any onions at all for the dishes
During
later.
our stay,
And also, it was not like those boring hotels that we have to just each time we have to go down to them. They also come and communicate with us, the hosts. They'll come and we talk about our problems, about how we, about her other curricular activities, etc.
And what have you learned regarding the nature? What are the type of, you saw this lemongrass, no?
Yeah, it was quite an experience.
Yeah, small trekking. How was it actually? You liked it?
It was not too straining.
Yeah, it was not too straining. Shreyas, you want to add anything with respect to nature which you have learnt here?
It was
Butterflies,
being
birds.
at home
No, obviously it's a home, but in terms of nature-wise, this place is. It has got a lot of, I can say, fascinating elements which we don't find in many of the places, especially in Western Ghats. It is available, but it's an Eastern Ghats. Actually, this area is called Eastern Ghats, and most beauty of this area is the river.
the river, beautiful.
ನದಿ ತೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು.
Walking along the river. Today's morning.
Nowhere we have that safer section where we can walk next to the river.
I have never had a walk like that. along
Yes,
the river.
yes. Even a few guests, they came from Mumbai and Pune, they experienced.
Okay.
Actually, that was one of the walk in the yesterday night. That was the highlight.
All the
It was very scary. But it was.
Today's walk along the river was really nice because walking through the paddy fields,
Yes.
we've never done that.
Yes,
We
yeah.
always see
Next-
that, but never.
yeah.
Like you were asking, we didn't know how people actually.
And also we interacted with local people. They educated. They are quite friendly here.
They also know.
Yeah.
Seeing the weaver's bird, you know all the
Yeah, he knows the whole story.
about the nest and everything.
Yeah. In fact, we don't get this kind of, not more than opportunity, the friendly people,
Correct.
and they respect our talk.
Yeah, they say that true civilization can be found only when you move out of civilization. Actually,
Exactly.
so in a civilization back like Bangalore, people become uncivil. Like,
Yeah, they don't talk to us.
they don't talk to us.
Here, see, he has come till the end and he's shown couple of other birds also.
That's what natural warmth is there.
Yeah.
You don't find in Bangalore, in cities, big cities, unfortunately.
Thanks for your
Thank you very
true
Thank you.
view. Thank you very much.
Thank you.